In this video, we're going to talk about how to multiply mixed numbers with fractions. So let's begin. First, you want to convert the mixed number to a fraction. We could do that by rewriting the denominator 5. Next, we'll multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3, that's 23. So we're going to multiply 23 over 5 by 2 over 9. And it's good to see if you have any common factors to see if you can cancel anything. But for this problem, we don't. So we could go ahead and multiply across. 23 times 2 is 46. 5 times 9 is 45. Now we have an improper fraction. So we could go ahead and convert this to a mixed number. The highest multiple of 45 under 46 is itself 45. So I'm going to write this as 45 over 45 plus 1 over 45. Because 45 plus 1 is 46. Now, 45 divided by itself is 1. So we have 1 plus 1 over 45. And we can write the sum of a whole number and a fraction as a mixed number. So it's 1 and 1 over 45. That's the answer for the first problem. Now, let's do the same for the second. Feel free to pause the video if you want to try it. So let's convert the mixed number 3 2/7 to an improper fraction. So let's begin by rewriting the denominator. And then 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2, that is 23. So we have 23 times 4 over 5. And there's no common factors that we could cancel. So let's multiply across. 23 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8, so 20 times 4 is 80. And 3 times 4 is 12, so 80 plus 12, this is going to be 92. 7 times 5 is 35, so we have this. Now, the highest multiple of 35 under 92 is 70. And 92 minus 70 is 22. So we could break down 92 into 70 and 22. 70 divided by 35 is 2. And so we have a whole number plus a fraction. So we can write that as the mixed number 2 and 22 over 35. So that's the answer. So that's how you can multiply a mixed number by a fraction. Convert the mixed number into an improper fraction and then multiply the improper fractions together, or multiply the two fractions together. And then after that, if you get an improper fraction as a result, convert that back to a mixed number.